If you've tried every brightening serum and still see dark spots and fine lines, this next 5-minute read could change everything. Meet the JiYu Toning Polish Pads, a professional-grade Korean skincare essential that delivers a powerful anti-aging treatment in one simple step. 100 pre-soaked pads give you a full month of instant hydration, dark spot reduction, and wrinkle softening without any complicated routine. The magic starts with Snail Mucin, nature's ultimate hydrator, which floods skin with moisture and helps repair the skin barrier. Niacinamide steps in to regulate oil, fade hyperpigmentation, and support collagen production. A unique peptide complex works at the cellular level to plump fine lines, while Centella Asiatica soothes redness and calms irritation. These 4 pillars combine to create a toning pad that does the work of a toner, serum, and mask together. When dark spots are the problem, JiYu adds alpha arbutin and licorice root extract, 2 clinically proven brighteners that target melanin production without causing irritation. Meanwhile, the advanced peptide blend smooths the look of wrinkles and acne marks, giving you that coveted glass skin glow. Inside every jar, you'll also find 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, a stable form of vitamin C that boosts radiance and supports natural firmness, and madecassoside, a Centella-derived ingredient that speeds up skin renewal and reduces redness. Together, they deliver a deep-acting anti-aging formula that lasts all day. The pads are formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to a hypoallergenic base and a balanced pH that won't strip moisture. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or acne-prone skin, you can use them twice a day without fear of irritation. Using JiYu is effortless. Start with a clean face, glide 1 pad gently across the skin in circular motions, wait 40 to 60 seconds for the active ingredients to sink in, then follow with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen. If you want an extra boost, leave a pad on any blemish or dark spot for up to 15 minutes as a targeted mask. The soothing Centella and Snail Mucin will calm and accelerate healing. Real people are already seeing results. My dark spots from old acne are almost gone, and my skin feels firmer after just 3 weeks, says Ashley, a verified buyer. I have sensitive skin, and these pads never caused a breakout. My complexion looks brighter than it has in years, adds Mateo. These testimonials echo the experience of thousands of users who love the instant glow and the long-term improvements they notice. What sets JiYu apart from typical toners? 1 pad replaces multiple steps, saving you time and money. The high-quality ingredients are sourced from trusted Korean labs, ensuring potency and safety. The generous 100-count pack gives you 5 weeks of daily use, making it a cost-effective addition to any routine. Plus, the pads are free from harsh sulfates, parabens, and artificial fragrances, so you can trust them on even the most delicate skin. If you're ready to say goodbye to dull patches, stubborn dark spots, and early fine lines, give JiYu Toning Polish Pads a try. Click the link in the description, claim your 30-day supply, and experience the Korean science that's already helping thousands achieve a clear, radiant complexion. Your skin will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without these pads.